I'm about to show you one of the fastest and most fun ways to learn cybersecurity skills. And the best part is, it doesn't cost anything to get started. Let's talk about it. Cybersecurity encompasses a diverse range of job roles and groups such as red team, offensive security, and blue team, defensive security, with several variations in between. Let's see, you have purple team, orange team, green team, yellow team, and the list goes on and on. But today, we're going to be talking about red team, offensive security. This team is responsible for simulating tactics and techniques of real-world attackers. Their goal is to challenge and test the effectiveness of an organization's security measures. Red teams often use penetration testing and other offensive security techniques to identify vulnerabilities and security weaknesses. Red teams in cybersecurity share similarities with hackers in the terms of the skills and methodologies, but they operate within a fundamentally different ethical and legal framework, of course. Learning red team skills in cybersecurity can be extremely challenging for several reasons. This area requires a deep understanding of various complex concepts, technologies, and methods. And to be honest, it can be difficult to find trustworthy information, let alone practice these skills. But what if I told you there was a place that not only could teach you nearly everything you need to know about offensive security, but provide you a safe and legal place to practice and have fun learning?
Really?
That's where Hack the Box comes into play. If you've done any research in this space, you've likely heard of their name. With Hack the Box, you're not just learning, you're actually engaging in a gamified, exciting experience that prepares you for real-world cybersecurity roles. Now, I feel it's important to tell you that Hack the Box is not sponsoring this video in any way, but they did give me actually a few subscriptions to give away to all of you, and I'll tell you how to enter to win one of those a little bit later in the video. Now, one thing I found that I really enjoyed is just how easy it is to start using the platform. And I found that once you get it started, you kind of quickly get hooked in there. There has been several times that I log in just to work through one lab and find myself spending hours having fun and learning super useful skills. One of the things most people don't know about Hack the Box is they actually have their own online training platform called Hack the Box Academy. On top of that, they also have their very own cybersecurity certifications. I've actually talked to several other hiring managers in the space who have actually told me they have hired people based on their experience and performance on this platform. Now, Hack the Box is completely browser-based, and remember, it costs $0 to actually check it out. So let me actually run you through a few of my favorite things about the platform. So once you sign up for your free Hack the Box Academy account, you'll be brought to your dashboard. And this is really where everything revolves around in the Hack the Box Academy. You'll see here you have your to-do list where if you started any modules, you'll be able to pick right back up here. You have the different exams you have available to you, different modules, and one of the coolest features that I think is these paths, these job role paths. So a common question I get asked all the time is, hey, I am interested in a career in penetration testing, but I don't know what skills I need to get to be able to study for that. Well, here under the job role paths, they have several different job roles in cybersecurity, and they have different modules to teach you all the important skills you need to know. So say, for instance, that you're interested in bug bounty hunting. They have this path here that it's a medium difficulty. It's comprised of 257 sections, and it'll take you about 18 days to complete. If you're interested in becoming a penetration tester, well, they have a path for that. SOC analyst. And then they also have senior web penetration tester. And you actually can click on these and get a deeper dive at the different modules that are in each one of these paths. You see, we have network enumeration with Nmap. You have footprinting, information gathering web edition, vulnerability assessment. Each one of these modules is all the skills you will need to know to be able to land that entry-level position. Now, if you just want to look at all the different learning modules that are available to you, you can come into here to modules and click all modules. And this will give you an overview of every single module available to you that you can actually dive into and learn more about. If there's like something in particular that you're interested in, like you want to learn more how to do Nmap scans, right here, network enumeration with Nmap. You can just do that one module. You can see this is a tier 1 easy module, and it's meant for offensive cybersecurity, and it will take you 7 hours to complete this 12 sections of the module. But you can see all the different modules that are listed, and they're all listed out for you, the different tiers, the hardness level, if it's offensive or defensive, or it's just general, it'll have all that information for you listed right here under the module section. Now, this video is not meant to be a tutorial of the platform, but just to educate you on this amazing resource. And as I mentioned earlier, we're actually going to be giving away a few annual subscriptions to the platform. So if you're interested in signing up, click the link down in the description, and you'll need the code word HTB to enter the giveaway. The cybersecurity field is evolving at an increasing rate, and with that, there are thousands of positions being created in the field. But do you know what some of the basic requirements to land one of these positions? If you have any doubt in your mind, you definitely need to check out this video on the screen now, where I talk about going from 0 experience to landing that dream job in the field. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, keep learning.